Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Mine Master, the next generation crypto mining app that shapes the future. Currently mining at zero point 0.5 Bitpixel per hour, and it is absolutely free. And this is not just another token. Bitpixel is the one of the top 3 future cryptos with big plans ahead, including Bitpixel Exchange, Bitpixel Wallet, Bitpixel Pay, and powerful DeFi products tool. Don't miss out. Start mining now and be part of the revolution before it's too late. The Bitpixel app link is in comment section. Click the app link and open it in the Google Play Store or App Store. After the open, click the install button and open the Bitpixel app. So now interface is like this. So you can join with the phone number and also join with the email. So now I am joined within the email account. So I select my country, that is India, and give my Google account. So after that you can click the next button. So now you create a password which is strong with minimum 8 characters and uppercase letters, and after that you enter your first name and last name as in your document ID. Give first name as first name and last name as last name, and invited code used for the claim of 1 Bitpixel crypto coin, and also it is used for boosting rate. Here the invited code is 𝗠𝗬𝗦𝗘𝗟𝗙. After entering the invited code, click the I am not a robot. After that, click the submit button. The Bitpixel app interface like this. Then click the get started button. So here click the boosting symbol, which is means tap to mine. So here shows if you invited code is enter, you can claim one big Bitpixel crypto coin. Otherwise you will lose the one free crypto coin and lose mining rate. So click the tab mining rate, so you can see the ad. After the ad you can start freely mining Bitpixel crypto coin. Top left reward is granted, then you can mine freely Bitpixel. So here give the permission yes, and you allow the permissions every 24 hours when your Bitpixel mining is stopped. So here scroll down and you can see the latest information about the Bitpixel app. Here shows Bitpixel ecosystem, and scroll down you can see the boost mining rate. Now you can join 10k to 100k members. So we offer zero point 0.5 Bitpixel crypto coin. So we missed the 1 hour Bitpixel coin. Now you can offer zero point 0.5 Bitpixel coin. And scroll down here can shows the invited boosting mining rate per referrals, and after that you can top left 3 lines click the profile, and here shows your email and add phone number. So here you can add the phone number, otherwise and also you log in with the phone number, you can add the email. Now you can click the white paper. So white paper can shows the all about Bitpixel information. Here step by step vision and machine and tokenomics steps project evaluation. So every information is in the white paper. So the Bitpixel is starting in April 5 2025. So it is not too late to start mining now. This is the detailed information about the Bitpixel crypto coin. Right now, Bitcoin holds the top one spot, but it is closed for new users. And PX network is top 2, and it's your golden chance. It's mining completely free, and the total supply is just 80 million, super limited. I recently made a video about the PX network. See the full video and join in the PX network. Start mining PX network today before it's too late. If you found a great information in this video, then subscribe my channel. See you soon. For the latest updates, join our Telegram and WhatsApp channel. Thank you.